Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to access another computer with Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, set up the main computer. On the main computer, go to the Chrome Remote Desktop website and look for the section that says Set up Remote Access. Click the download button to add the small tool that allows the connection. By installing this tool, you are giving the computer the ability to send its screen over the internet to your other devices. Next, choose a name and a PIN. You need to give your computer a name so you can find it in a list, and a secret code to keep it safe. Type in a simple name for your computer, and then enter a 6-digit PIN. Make sure to remember this secret code, as you will need it for your login. The name helps you identify which machine you are connecting to, and the PIN ensures that only you can get inside your files. Next, open the app on your other device. Now that the main computer is ready, you need to use your second device, like a laptop or a phone, to find it. On your second device, open the Chrome Remote Desktop app or website and sign in with the same email account. Look for the name of the computer you created in the previous step. Both devices must be signed into the same account so they can recognize each other across the internet. It makes finding your desktop very fast and easy. Now tap or click on the computer name and type in your secret PIN when the box appears. Wait a few seconds for the screen to load and show your desktop. Once you enter the code, the two devices will start connected to each other. Now your remote setup is ready, and you can use your computer as if you were sitting right in front of it. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.